Elimination reaction of 2-bromopentane to form pent-2-ene is mm, beta elimination reaction, dehydrohalogenation reaction, and dehydration reaction. This reaction is an example of beta elimination. Hydrogen is removed from beta carbon and halogen from alpha carbon, hence dehydrohalogenation reaction. Generally, in E2 reaction, Jadsev alkene is formed as major product, more stable alkene. Number of isomeric alcohols of molecular formula C6H14O, which gives positive iodoform test, is 4. Two possible stereo structures of CH3 CHOH, which are optically active, are called enantiomers. In an SN1 reaction on chiral centers, there is inversion more than retention, leading to partial racemization. In case of optically active alkyl halides, SN1 reaction is accompanied by racemization. The carbocation formed in the slow step being sp2 hybridized is planar, and attack of nucleophile may take place from either side, resulting in a mixture of products on having the same configuration and other having inverted configuration. The isomer corresponding to inversion is present in slight excess because SN1 also depends upon the degree of shielding of the front side of the reaction of the carbon. C6H5C CH3 C6H5Br is most reactive towards SN1 reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction example, RX plus KOH gives rise ROH plus KX. Benzene reacts with CH3Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form toluene. If there is no rotation of plane polarized light by compound in a specific solvent, so to be chiral, it may mean that the compound is certainly meso. Meso compound does not rotate plane polarized light. Compound which contains tetrahedral hydral atoms with four different groups, but the whole molecule is chiral, is known as a meso compound. It possesses a plane of symmetry and is optically inactive. One of the asymmetric carbon atoms turns the plane of a polarized light to the right, and the other the left hand to the same extent, so that the rotation due to upper half is compensated by the lower half, that is internally compensated. And finally, there is no rotation of plane polarized light. 3-bromopentane is not a chiral. Freons are responsible for depletion of ozone layer in the upper strata of the atmosphere. Chlorofluorocarbons, example CF2Cl2, CHF2Cl2. These are non-inflammable, colorless, and stable upon up to 550 degrees centigrade. These are emitted as propellants in aerosol spray, can refrigerators, firefighting reagents, etc. They are chemically inert, and hence do not react with any substance with which they come in contact, and therefore float through the atmosphere and as a result enter the stratosphere. They absorb ultraviolet rays, and due to this they will produce free atomic chlorine, which result decomposition of ozone, which cause depletion of ozone layer. Chloropicrin is obtained by the reactions of nitric acid on chloroform. Chloropicrin is a nitrochloroform. It is obtained by the nitration of chloroform with HNO3. Chloropicrin is a liquid, poisonous and used as an insecticide and war gas. Freons. The chlorofluorocarbon compounds of methane and ethane are collectively known as freons. These are usually produced for aerosol propellants, refrigeration, and air conditioning purposes. DDT is the first chlorinated organic insecticide. Its stability and fat solubility is a great problem. It is prepared from chloral and chlorobenzene in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Types of nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are of two types. SN1 type unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. These reactions proceed in two steps. SN2 type biomolecular nucleophilic substitution. These reactions proceed in one step and is a second order reaction with R is equal to K Rx and Nu. And perchloroethane C2Cl2. It is used moth repellent and is also known as artificial camphor. Racemic mixture. Racemic mixture is optically inactive as it is a mixture containing two enantiomers in equal proportion and have zero net optical rotation. Enantiomers. Enantiomers are mirror images of each other and are non-superimposable. Dihalogen derivatives. Dichlomethane CH2Cl2. Widely used as solvent as a propellant in aerosols. Direct contact of dichloromethane in humans causes intense burning and milk redness of the skin. Trihalogen derivatives. One chloroform CHCl3, iodoform triiodomethane CHI3. Tetrachloromethane carbon tetrachloride CCl4 is a colorless, non-inflammable, poisonous liquid soluble in alcohol and ether. Is a polyhalogen derivative.